MetaStock XENITH is a professional level investment tool which has never been available to the private trader until now. Successful trading decisions require the right mix of content and capability. MetaStock XENITH is your go-to source for critical market news and analysis. It's tailored to your workflow and features very smart search tools that provide instant access to high-value content. It all starts with the homepage. This is your personal gateway to the latest news, market data, and tools. Easily configurable, you can instantly view the information that is important to you. Single-click access to personalized information, including news, alerts, and portfolios, enhance your ability to react to market conditions. The FlexSheet module allows you to effortlessly create detailed custom views of the market. You can choose from pre-filled flex sheets based on your interests, or design your layout from scratch. Just drag and drop the objects into position, incorporating real-time market data, quote lists, news, and charts into your sheet. One of the most innovative features in MetaStock XENITH is the advanced search. You can locate the right content in seconds and get results that are structured and relevant. The full suite of option tools available in MetaStock XENITH will definitely impress options traders. They include the Options Strategy module, the Options Watch, the Options Calculator, the Volatility Quick Chart, and the At-the-Money Implied Volatility View. MetaStock XENITH provides coverage of over 165 equity and derivative exchanges, including major asset classes and emerging economies, so you can monitor markets in your region and across the globe. MetaStock XENITH is truly a powerful and flexible tool, which is well worth the subscription price. But to really take advantage of its market data, you need the power tools available in MetaStock Pro. You can easily develop a list of instruments using the search and analysis tools in MetaStock XENITH, then export that list into MetaStock Pro to chart or scan or backtest. When you combine the data and news of MetaStock XENITH with the power tools of MetaStock Pro, you simply have the most powerful and flexible trading tools available to the private trader.